Philips. Philips HL7699, which offers fastest and finest mixing grinding performance with powerful motor and superior jars. Key features: fastest and finest grinding performance with powerful 750-watt long-lasting motor. The HL7699 has a cascade-shaped, robust ABS body with its soft surfaces and clean flowing edges and is easy to wipe for daily cleaning and maintenance. Advanced Intelli-designed jars and blades for fine grinding and easy-to-grip handles. The HL7699 offers a 1.75-litre wet jar with transparent dome and handle for wet grinding, liquidizing, blending and puring ingredients like tomatoes and onions. 1.0-litre dry jar with PP lid and handle for dry grinding tough ingredients like turmeric and sambar masala. And 0.5-litre chutney jar with PP lid and handle for everyday grinding of chutneys and pastes like coconut chutney. Innovation that matters to you. Philips.